Hi there. Finding the 5 best vlogging cameras worthy of your earned money is certainly challenging. It isn't impossible, especially when you have a reliable source like our channel, to point you in the right direction and show you the brands you can trust. In preparing this list, we have done in-depth research to find out the best products for you. If you choose from this list, you can be sure you'll be buying one of the best products available right now in the market. Check the product links below in the description, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is DJI Osmo Action Camera. Let's kick off the best vlogging camera reviews with one of the most affordable models on the list, the DJI Osmo Action. Although its technical specifications resemble those of a plain webcam, this little action recorder is one of the best at what it does. The Osmo Action is DJI's attempt to take the GoPro Hero series head-on, and I must say, they did a brilliant job. Not only does it undercut its GoPro Hero 7 competitor in price, but it also beats it in some features. It matches the GoPro Hero 7 in most technical aspects but has a larger, longer-lasting battery, and a very handy color front screen. This provides far better functionality than the GoPro Hero 7, as you can see what you're vlogging while you're filming with the video camera. By most accounts, DJI's electronic image stabilization, called Rocksteady, is arguably just as good as a physical gimbal, which is incredible. It should be noted however that when the Rocksteady stabilization is on, there is a slight delay with what the Osmo Action films, and what you see on the viewfinder. Number 2. Our second best pick is DJI Osmo Pocket Camera. Honestly, for under $200, there isn't much to dislike about the DJI Osmo Pocket as a beginner's vlogging camera. It's supremely portable, weatherproof, and still packs 4K video quality. In fact, you can probably think of it as a GoPro with a big trick up its tiny sleeve. That big trick is DJI's world-famous gimbal stabilization. All of the other vlogging cameras on this list will use digital stabilization, which is to say that software will do its best to make the video look more stable. The DJI Osmo Pocket however has a physical gimbal just like you'd see on DJI's very expensive drones that keep the actual camera itself steady, creating that silky smooth vlogging or live streaming footage that looks so professional. Not bad for something that fits into the smallest of pockets. If you are looking for a high quality, budget camera and you want a vlogging camera that you can take with you even if you don't have a backpack, you can't go wrong with the DJI Osmo Pocket. It's great for everyone on a cash-strapped budget looking to create good quality content without making a dent in their wallets. Number 3. Our third best pick is Panasonic Lumix digital camera. If you're in the market for a vlogging camera under $400, it's safe to assume that your budget is fairly limited. Instead of wasting money on popular webcams, it may be a better idea to give Panasonic's Lumix FC80 a go. Panasonic Lumix FC80 comes with an incredible set of vlogging-friendly features that you simply cannot miss out on. Its high-resolution viewfinder and low-light performance will let you capture the most surreal images with clarity and vibrancy. What makes Panasonic Lumix a great favorite with the vlogging crew is its portability. The camera comes with USB charging and Wi-Fi connectivity to keep your clicks rolling while you're still on the move. But there are more features that make it a great choice for photography. Its inbuilt Lumix DFD focusing system makes it both fast and reliable. What sets the camera apart from several of its competitors is its newest 4K technology called the post-focus. This conveniently lets you set the desired focus points after the picture has been taken. Alternatively, you can use the camera's focus stacking feature to select several points of focus and create your desired depth and effect. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is GoPro Waterproof Action Camera. GoPro is widely recognized as one of the top manufacturers of electronics, most notably action cameras and recorders. Suffice to say, the GoPro Hero 10 is one of their most popular flagship camera models. What sets this camera apart from similarly priced action cameras and recorders is its high-resolution video capture capability, versatile connectivity, and outstanding array of effects that can make even the blandest of landscapes look flashy and creative. Let's start with the basics. The GoPro Hero 10 offers advanced video stabilization technology. More specifically, This tech is the fourth iteration of the acclaimed Hyper-Smooth feature, bringing a ton of improvements to what already was a formidable piece of technology. Its 23.6 MP may not seem like much, but it's safe to say that a variety of camera models in this price range offer far worse performance. Circling back to the aforementioned effects, one of the biggest highlights of the GoPro Hero 10 camera is the slow motion effect, which can reach as high as x8. Overall, there's certainly room for improvement, but you'll get your money's worth, and then some should opt to use GoPro Hero 10 for your vlogging needs. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Fujifilm Mirrorless camera. There's a lot to love about Fujifilm's XS10 mirrorless camera. In terms of technical specifications, it's one of the strongest video cameras in this price point category, but I could also lump it in with the most versatile models due to a host of different effects and functionalities that you'll be able to use with ease. It packs the US vibration sensor cleaning system, which is one of the better ones, given that sensors are fairly delicate. No matter how well built they are, this feature simplifies the maintenance process while increasing Fujifilm XS10's longevity. Although it does not feature a dedicated selfie mode, it supports a variety of video formats and offers pretty decent options in terms of storage compatibility. The 3-inch variant angle touchscreen is another interesting feature, sporting roughly 1.04 million dots and presenting filmmakers, videographers, and content creators with a convenient tool that governs Fujifilm XS10's fundamental features. The bottom line is that Fujifilm XS10 is an essential piece of gear that all expert videographers could use to up their game. Its handling is awesome, it's fairly lightweight, and with such robust specifications. So, grab whatever product you like from our list that fits you. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.